Newspapers, letters, and commercial radio, however, don't provide instantaneous two-way communication. Most villages now want to be connected with the outside world on a 24-hour basis, especially for emergency and medical purposes. RCA Alaska Communications took over the state's system from the military in 1971. Since then, 60 bush villages have received telephone service. About 18,000 people in 108 villages still do not have telephones. The 60 villages are now connected by VHF radio system, using an unattended microwave tower located on a nearby hilltop. If a person, say in Chwathbaluk, wants to call Anchorage, the signal is transmitted from the aerial in the village to one of the hilltop sites and then to the Bethel Exchange. From there, the signal either goes by satellite earth station or by the White Alice microwave circuit on to Anchorage. But the small VHF radio systems are not thought to be very reliable. They are also difficult to construct, especially in bad weather. RCA and the state have been negotiating since fall, and RCA has agreed from now on to use small satellite earth stations instead of the VHF systems. About 90 of these will be placed in the next 2 years in such places as Atka, which has absolutely no communications except a monthly mailboat. Microwave ground facilities will still be used to distribute signals from the satellite over longer distances. According to the plan, every community in Alaska with 25 or more persons will eventually have a telephone. Most of you watching this program are seeing it by way of satellite, the ATS-6. To talk to us, you use the ATS-1 satellite. Satellites are an important part of Alaska's future. Someone with a medical problem in Fort Yukon can be examined by doctors in Anchorage using satellite TV. Doctors in Tanana can talk with health aides in the interior. School children in Angoon can be watching Ride On and Amy and the Astros at the same time as children in Allakaket. ATS-1 was launched in 1968 and put into use here on an experimental basis, but it only has a voice signal. The new ATS-6 has both voice and picture. It is also being used in the lower 48, and in May gets shifted to India. The satellite is expected to return the following year, but money to put on programs like this one must again be found. ATS-6 uses small earth stations at each site with 10-foot dishes. These are much smaller and cheaper than the old satellite dishes. The state is now talking with other states with small scattered populations like ours about sharing a satellite when ATS-6 comes down. The satellite is guaranteed for only 2 years, but it could stay up more than 7. Any way you look at it, satellite is becoming a common word in Alaska.